Hello and welcome to Taste of the Tour once again. Today we made everything in the camper, not allowed in the kitchen today, unfortunately. So here's a few tips for when you're on the road following the tour. You can see what I made for the boys, and basically you can do everything out of a camper. And for the salads today, we done a melon and prosciutto. It's a bit of Italian ham. We have a salad made with some beetroots, just like yesterday. A bit of beetroots, a bit of honey in the oven. And then we have a salad cucumber. Here we have a salad made with smoked duck breast, a bit of avocado. And the next one is broccoli, a bit of sun-dried tomatoes, and a lot of chicken in it. Gotta have some proteins. We have some pasta with a pesto made with a bit of tomato in it. And in this one, we have a bit of carrot juice, which is basically just carrots in a juicer. Add a bit of lemon, maybe an apple. So tastes really good, really healthy, a lot of vitamins in it. Enjoy.